Good morning, everybody. 1:10 in the morning, Saturday. It's 37 degrees out. I'll give this thing another cold start. Now I'll pack up my backpack for work, and we'll see how this thing drives without much heat in it. Sure all the lights work. It's been a while since I've driven it at nighttime. Awesome. All right, I'll go load up my stuff and we'll put you guys back on. Just listening to it, sounds a little on the rich side. Blub, 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 blub. Well, it's got a little bit more heat than I was hoping, but it's still pretty cool out. Of course, I'm sure it's going to be driving nice. Man, I get to the bottom of my driveway. My damn seat broke. Thing's gangster leaning. So I'll have to look at that. That sucks. Yeah, when I get off work, I'll try to do a cold drive with it without much heat in the engine. Unfortunately, just took me too long to pack up my stuff. So anyhow, we'll put you guys back on in a little bit. Well, so far the truck's running great. It sucks the seat broke, but hell, shit happens. I'm glad it broke going down the driveway versus when I was on the road. Yeah, running good. I actually did check the mileage on the first tank, got 16 miles a gallon. Which is pretty good, seeing all the idle time and giving it gas and all that while I was driving, so can't complain. I'll also throw in a few pictures. It actually went a second faster 0 to 60 than it did factory. So, gotta love that. A little bit more power. I'll bring you guys back on here in a little bit. I parked this thing almost at work. Alright, we're back at it. I got the seat semi-fixed. I can't pull that up right now. Anyways, it was a pivot bolt that was back in here, and it sheared off. Son of a gun. So, I found another bolt, but I'll have to pull the rest of it off. I got a little bit of heat in the motor. Let's see what it's saying. Oh shit, of course. Seat brakes as soon as I lean back. Unbelievable. Make sure it's in neutral here. So I got 100 degrees in it. Looks like I'll be doing some more gangster lean until I get that seat fixed when I'm home. But let's see how it does for the enrichment. I might have to turn down that fuel enrichment, but I'll wait for a while. I usually don't drive it when it's cold. unless it's an emergency. That goes pretty rich. Drive fine though. Not too shabby for out of the box. Alrighty everybody, I'm going to call this video quits. It's kind of a pain in the ass hanging on the steering wheel and holding myself up and videoing at the same time. So thanks for watching, thanks for subbing. We'll catch you guys on the flip side.